Hey there, sneakerheads and fashion enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Business Promote, your go-to channel for all things trendy and stylish. Today, we're diving into the world of kicks and threads, exploring the latest must-haves to elevate your wardrobe game. But before we jump into the excitement, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our exclusive deals and unboxings. Now, let's talk about a hotspot for sneakerheads and fashion aficionados alike, wingkick.ru. Whether you're on the hunt for the freshest kicks from brands like Nike, Adidas, or Yeezy, or you're looking to amp up your style with designer apparel from Off-White, Dior, or Gucci, wingkick.ru has got you covered. With a vast selection of sneakers, clothing, hats, and accessories, this website is your one-stop destination for all things fashion-forward. And speaking of must-haves, check out what just landed on my doorstep, the iconic Nike Air Jordan 4 Military Black. Thanks to wingkick.ru, I get to unbox these beauties right before your eyes. From the premium craftsmanship to the timeless design, these sneakers are an absolute game-changer for any sneaker. And guess what? You can snag a pair for yourself by clicking the link in the description below. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this. But wait, it gets even better. For all our loyal viewers, wingkick.ru is offering an exclusive discount. Just join their Discord or WhatsApp group using the link provided in the description, and you'll receive a 25% off code. Plus, for an extra $15 off, use the coupon code TBP during checkout. It's savings galore, folks. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to wingkick.ru and elevate your style game today. Well, folks, that's a wrap for today's episode. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed this video and leave a comment down below letting us know which sneaker or piece of clothing caught your eye. And remember, all the links mentioned in this video can be found in the description box below. Until next time, stay stylish, stay fabulous, and I'll catch you in the next video.